After completing my level 3 BTEC all the way up to my level 6 degree, my top tip for anyone getting an interview at AESSEAL would be to dress smart and prepared, showing that they're committed to the interview, show a willingness to learn and an attitude to impress.
When looking for an apprentice at AES, we seek out confident individuals who demonstrate their ability to work well within a team. My top tip for those interviewing for apprentice roles would be to approach the interview positively and punctually with an articulate approach when answering questions.
My top tips for attending an interview and standing a chance of being a successful candidate would be, firstly, be able to talk confidently about yourself for at least 1 minute, talk about yourself, your hobbies, how you're coming to apply to that apprenticeship. My second top tip would be do some research on the business you're looking to apply for, find out about your role in specifically, find out what it entails, okay, and then tailor your answers specific to role. My third tip would be then every answer where feasible give examples of how you've met the criteria that's required for the job. And a good mnemonic to use this, or a good framework to use this, is the CAR framework or the STAR framework, which is cause, action, result, or situation, task, action, result. Always tie your answers in to those frameworks.
My name's Lucia Beard. I'm doing a machinist apprenticeship at AESSEAL. So I chose an apprenticeship because I like the hands-on learning. I like the fact that it was different from a classroom environment. I chose AESSEAL as my company because I was actually recommended it through a fellow operator here. I also like the aspect that it was eco-friendly and it was international as well.
I'd recommend an apprenticeship at AES. One at AES because of the amount of opportunities and time I've received off people around me. The amount of opportunities my manager's given me, the amount of time designers have stayed with me and shown me what's right and wrong and how to do things properly. When you first start an apprenticeship, you're not sure if it's the right thing to do. You don't know where you're going to be going in life, especially at a young age. Sort of find a belonging in a path where you want to go down, and you get the skills to be able to carry that on.